Hi reception! Welcome to our second video for this week, where we're learning all about breaking numbers up into different groups. And we call that composition. And we're doing composition of 5. Can you say that? Composition of 5. First of all, I've got some dots for you. How many did you see? Did you see 5? Well done. Now, how did you see the 5? Maybe you saw 1 dot in the middle and 4 dots on the outside. Or maybe you saw, as your 1 dot in the middle and your 4 on the outside. Maybe you saw 3 dots on top and 2 dots on the bottom. Have a think about how you see the 5, because that will help you to supertise later on. Now we have a bus. How many children are on the bus? That's right. There are 3 children on the bus, and 1 child is waiting by the bus stop. So how many do we have all together? Should we have a look in our 5 frame? We'll put some counters in our 5 frame to help us count. We've got 3 red counters, just like the 3 children on the bus, and 1 yellow counter for the person who's by the bus stop. And how many do we have all together? That's right, we have 4. And you can see it's 4 because there are 4 counters and then 1 space at the end. 4. There's our numeral 4. 4. It's how we learn to recognise 4 in our 5 frame. The bus is going now. We've got a new bus. How many children are on the bus this time? That's right. There is 1. And how many at the bus stop? That's right. 0. How many altogether? We have 1 red counter and 0 yellow counters. So, can you do my sentence? What's that? That's right. 1 add 0 equals 1. 1 red counter, 1. And off goes this bus. Okay. What have we got this time? How many children are on the bus? That's right, 0. And how many at the bus stop? That's right, 3. And how many altogether? Shall we use our 5 frame to help us? How many red counters are we putting in? 0. And how many yellow counters? 1, 2, 3. How many do we have all together? That's right, 0. You want to do it? 0 plus 3 equals 0. Equals. Did Mrs. Craggs make a mistake? did, didn't I? What does 0 plus 3 equal? That's right, 3. And off goes the bus with the 3 people on. Ooh. How many children are on this bus? That's right, 4. And how many children at the bus stop? 1. How many altogether? Let's look. How many red counters do we need? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many yellow counters? 1. 4 add 1 equals, that's right, 5. And we know it's 5 because our 5 frame is full. There are no spaces. 5. Off they go on this bus. Here is your task for this week. Can you get 2 plates? If you don't, and you could get 5 buttons. And what you're going to do, you're going to play around with your 5 buttons just like I've done. I haven't put 5 buttons on this plate though, have I? I've only put 4 on. I've put 3 on one plate and 1 on the other. So you can't have any more than 5. Just play around with it to see how many different sums you can come up with. You could use 5 buttons, you could use 4 buttons, you could use 3 buttons, you could use 2 buttons, or you could use 1 button. See how many different number sentences you could make. Okay, here we've got 3, add 1 equals 4. I wonder what number sentences you could make. I'll tell you what it looks like. It looks just a little bit like the 2 parts in our whole part model. Okay, I look forward to seeing your number sentences. Bye.